Okay, so this is going over quiz 1 4B, and you need to write down the question, not the question, the work for the problem, and then if you missed that question, you have to explain why you missed it. You will still need to come in at lunch next week in order to retake the quiz to try and get a better grade. So, and this one, Mr. Sanchez recently went on a business trip to Mexico. He had to use his cell phone, and he had to pay an international activation fee of $23. While in Mexico, he was also charged $1.15 for every minute. That's your multiply word. He was billed $327.75. What was the number of minutes for which he was billed? So I'm going to say M or X equals number of minutes. And then you write down the activation fee plus what he was charged for every minute. And that will give you your total. And then you just solve it. So minus 23. So 115M equals 304.75. And then divide by 115. M equals 265. And you needed to write a complete sentence. So he was billed for 265 minutes. Okay? This always goes back to what your variable represented. Number 2, I equals PRT, solve for T. T is being multiplied by PR, so in order to undo it, you need to divide by PR. So I divided by PR equals T. These are not like terms. You can't actually divide it and get a number. So the answer here was D. Number 3, Bill and his cousin Joe both collect stamps. Bill has 26 stamps and Joe has 41 stamps. The boys recently joined different clubs, and Bill's club will send him 5 new stamps per month. Joe's club will send him 2 new stamps per month. So we want to know, when will Bill and Joe have the same number of stamps? So when will they equal one another? And so Bill, I'm going to circle all his stuff, has 26 stamps. Joe has 41, underline him. And Bill's club sends him 5 per month, so plus 5M. And Joe sends him 2 per month, so plus 2M. And then we solve it. Minus 2M. 26 plus 3M equals 41. Minus 26. 3M equals 15. Divide by 3. M equals 5. Well, what does that mean? Because it said per month, so M equals number of months. So they will have the same number of stamps in 5 months. All right, number 4, we're solving for y, brick wall, box in your y. Minus 9x, because it's a positive. Negative 4y equals z minus 9x. Divide by negative 4. So y equals z minus 9x divided by negative 4. Again, no like terms. You can't really put them together. And so the last one is also literal equations. S equals pi r squared plus pi rl, and it says we want to solve for L. So L is in this term right here, brick wall minus pi r squared. So I have S minus pi r squared equals pi rl. And then again, this is being multiplied, so divide away what we don't want. S minus pi r squared divided by pi r equals L.